Good morning and welcome to PPP Systems Limited. Today I wanted to talk about the Citizen CL-S621 and single feed reflective. Now, this is typical of what you might get with a Citizen. It's a big chunk of metal, it's expensive, and here at PPP we decided that the whole setup is actually really a little awkward. So the idea behind this device is that you've got a couple of plastic guides, a guide on this side, and you push it in until it hits the roller. And the idea is that pressure from this pushes against the roller when you print. This doesn't always work, and often it misfeeds or doesn't feed at all. So at PPP we've decided to find a simpler and less expensive solution, because let's face it, the Citizen isn't exactly the cheapest printer. So at PPP we've decided to take a two-pronged approach, but before that I think we can just consign this to the scrap metal yard. So what we're doing instead is we're going to use the standard holder for labels that comes with the Citizen, and we're going to make this our alignment for the material. So our media is going to line there, and it's going to go in there, and it's going to align to that one, and then over here there's another guide, and this is the width of your actual media, and this feeds in here. And the next thing we need is to create a surface, and what we do is we take a piece of film and we place it in. A little bit awkward just getting it in initially, and it fits down in there nice and neatly. Adhesive here, and you can see it's fitted in, and it's just sitting short of the roller, and it sits on there. Might need to pull that back a little bit. Yeah, that looks good. Close down the lever, and let me just demonstrate how easy that is. So that just feeds straight in, goes inside that guide, and inside this guide here. You probably can't see this one very well, but basically that's the width of the media. And then we close it down. Now, we have a little trick in our software that programs the printer so that it will feed the material in for us. So that's the set, and you have to do this every time you either lift the head or switch the printer on first thing. So what we do is we take our media, we push it in until it hits the roller, and actually what we do is then press the feed key, and that's it. And if you look, it's now pulled in, and it's going to print every time because it's actually been grabbed by the roller. And we simply click our software to print, and away we go. And when we come to print the second plate, same thing, feed it in, press the feed, click print. And that's our pair of plates. And that's how easy it is. No messing about with some huge tray that costs a fortune. Okay, so that's our pair of plates printed happily. And much as you can see, I've done this with the lid off. That was more so that you could see things more easily. Okay, so here we are with the lid put on. I mean, personally I would run it without the lid, but I just wanted to show you that it's just the same process. Feed it into the from the back up against the roller, and there it is, and it's in there ready to print. Thank you for your time. I hope this has been useful.